Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to of my canal. Let's make quick and easy snacks slash lunch. Okay, I'm about to fix lunch, but then I realized I promised the kids to make some bladderdeeg meatwurst because yesterday in the evening I made some bladderdeeg, but we kind of finished it because I actually made it in the evening so that the next day when they're back from school they will have something to snack on. But then I made it. The smell was just smelling delicious. So everybody was like, "Oh, can I get one? Can I get one? Can I get one?" Before we realized, the thing was almost finished. So I promised to make a new one, a new batch. So by the time they're back from school, everyone will have enough to eat. So since I'm in the kitchen, I'm trying to fix me something to eat. And I thought, you know what, bladderdeeg doesn't really take that much to make, especially when you are making the one with wurst. Doesn't really take that much. All you have to do is open your wurst, rinse it a little bit, put it in the bladderdeeg, roll it up, get you some egg white, rub it on top of it, put it in the oven for 45 minutes on 180 degree, then you're ready to go. So it's very, very simple. So I thought, let me make this one. So after rolling all my bladderdeeg, I just take my egg whites. You don't use the egg yolk, it's just the egg white. The reason why I love using the egg white is because it gives you that crunchy feeling, that crunchiness when you are eating it. I love it. You can use a baking spray and just spray on top of it. I've tried it before, but it tastes good. It's just the same, but just that it doesn't have that crunchiness. And I love that crunchy feeling. So I really like to go in with the egg yolk, make sure I have enough of egg yolk on top of it. So this is the one I made yesterday. We almost finished it. So now I'm taking the new one into the oven. I've already heated up the oven before ever I put the bladderdeeg in it, and then just set the timer and then allow it to bake. And now I'm going to take this one and put it in a container and just kind of clean the surface because I'm about to fix me something to eat. And I don't really like after eating, I have to come to the kitchen and do cleaning. I don't really like it. So therefore, I like to clean, make sure everywhere is clean before I go and sit down and eat, because after eating, I'm not really getting up from where I'm sitting down. I'm just going to sit there for an extra 1 or 2 hours before ever I get myself together. So I really like to make sure everywhere is clean. So I thought, you know what, let me just transfer this into a container. And I'm also going to have 1 or 2 of this one to eat. So that's why I thought, let me just make another one, because it's not going to be that much by the time I take whatever I want to take. So this is the lunch I prepared for myself. I just got me some fruits and some yogurts and some this crunchy biscuits on top of the yogurts. I really, really liked it. I got this hamburger bread. I wanted to make hamburger, but I was like, you know what, I'm kind of a little bit tired and lazy to make hamburger. Let me just fry some egg and put it on top of it. It's still something. And I thought, let me just make egg and make me some fresh orange juice. I love making fresh orange juice. I just love making fresh juice instead of buying juice from the market. For years, when I say years, for years now, I don't buy juice from the markets. I don't really buy this packaged juice, except if I'm having a visitor and I really don't have the time to make some fresh juice, then I will buy packaged juice. But most of the time, I try my best to make my own fresh juice, or we will just drink waters. For friends who already know how I operate, I really do not stress myself to go and buy juice. If I have like somebody who is like a guest, is a new person, then I'll get me some juice. But like from close friends, we just drink water, or I'll fix something simple. So yeah, now I've made my orange juice. I always like to add cold ice block in it, because the orange juice is really, really sweet. It's sweet. So I always like to dilute it with some cold ice block water, and I really, really love it. So and every time I don't know if I'm the only one, every time I take an ice block from the thing, I like to fill it back with water and then put it back in the freezer. I don't like to just put it empty like that. It is just me, I don't know. So I've fried my egg and I'm just putting the egg on top. I'm supposed to put a hamburger in there, but you know what? Let's just be creative, okay? I just want to be creative. Let's just put some fried egg in it and it's also good to go. So yes, this food is too much. People ask me, do you eat that much? Yeah, I do eat a lot. Just that it's very difficult for me to add weight. Weight gain, for me, it's a struggle and it's a challenge. It's not something I don't gain weight easily. If it doesn't matter what I eat, I don't gain weight easily. But when it comes to eating, I do eat. I really do eat. There are some days where my appetite level would just go down. I don't feel like eating. But in general, I eat. I do eat a lot. But I just don't gain weight. So this is my lunch. My lunch is ready. I got my laptop. I'm sitting outside. The weather is beautiful. And I'm just going to eat. After eat, I'm going to edit some videos and relax. So yeah, this is how I spend my morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon before the kids came back from school, just relaxing and enjoying the quietness of the house. It's beautiful.